Hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Yes. Hello? Yes. Hello? Yes. Hello?
Ini sudah. Ini nggak tahu.
A warm welcome to you all on this radio to what we hope will be an enthralling encounter. It may be a little soggy, but the supporters are in good voice. You can tell just how much this matters to them. I'm Peter Drury, and joining me here, our expert, Jim Beglin. Thanks for that, Peter, and may I say a big hello to everyone. Just listen to that noise. This place is definitely up for it. Let's hope we get a contest worthy of the setting. If you're just joining us, we are already on the way. It's one of today's standout fixtures between teams who are meeting for the second time this season. Danger averted for now. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal? One of the game's best ever, Cristiano Ronaldo. He brings the power to whatever he does. It's unquenchable thirst for goals.
Go!
Very well to get to that. Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that. Tries to get it clear. And he lines up and up he goes!
Off we go.
That is clearly not the outcome he wanted. Inside the box. No shortage of targets here. Estupiñán. Vinicius Junior. Vinicius Junior going face to face with his great rival. Yet to have an attempt on goal. Bruno Fernandes, very much a player of the moment. Neither of these two want to come off second. Goes for the shot! Oh, denied brilliantly! I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
Man City
Crystal Palace have the chance to go the other way.
masih long.
Crystal Palace have reclaimed it. Crystal Palace look happy to sit back for the moment here.
Yeah, everything they're doing screams counter-attack, but it's a long counter-attack.
Kissel!
Yang satu lama ya satu ya. Ini kan gua. Harus dia manusia.
And now they spring out of defence.
Harus dia manusia.
This is Junior.
Winnie, Ronaldo.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo. And it's Bruno Fernandes.
Oh,
Sarr tries to play it through.
Lewali Naka.
Munoz.
Harus dia man.
And that pass just didn't quite work. Pedri. Turns back in, probably the best option. Now he's off and running. Richards. Now it's Sarr. Looking for the run. Still looking for the first breakthrough, and it is nearly half time now. Now it's Sarr. Munoz. Oh, good read. That was well played. Well stopped. Over to the left. Now it's Vinicius Junior. And they've got a throw. Wharton. There will be one good split time. And it's Kamada. That is a great pick out. Big hitter! And he's done it! First blood draw. He watched it all the way, and the finish was unerring.
Yeah, it all came from some really smart movement.
And the first half is done. So a steady, solid, and more than satisfactory first half. They've got the lead, and that gives them something to build on after the break.
Well, obviously things are not good, Peter. It seems the team were just a bit too busy playing within themselves, too tentative. They have to improve and make it fast.
So they're straight back at it at the start of the second half.
Well, I think in these circumstances, it's all about how to adjust the balance of your team. I mean, you want to get back in it as soon as possible, but without leaving yourself too open.
And he's had a hit! Well, the contact was good enough. The aim wasn't quite.
I think it was one of those, Peter, where he's caught it too well. He's not even looking at the keeper, so he knew where everything was.
Kissel. Bruno Fernandes. Can he get it through? And that has been cleared. Wharton. Manchester United still trailing by one and looking here to take it up a notch after the break. And into the grateful arms of the keeper. Van Dijk. Zappacosta. Pedri. Passing is crisp and sharp. Now it's Mbappe.
Manchester United really are going for it here, Peter. Now it's just a matter of sustaining the effort.
This is a really front-footed approach.
Well, the question now is whether they can sustain it.
Bruno Fernandes is sporting a guilty look after that.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
Sergio, what are you thinking?
Manchester United have not got very long if they hope to rescue this. They're being urged forward by great home support.
Oh, that's a foul in a dangerous area. That's going to be a bookie.
It was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
Please like my stream, bro. From
Kamada! It's loose now, they want to get it back. Whitby gets big. And in charge, and things are looking pretty good for them now. Satisfyingly simple. There's almost a sense of beauty to this.
He did so well there, attacking the ball the way he did. He got a strong forehead behind that one.
He's having a go. Oh, should have put that away.
He's definitely playing with a lot more conviction. This team should look to him to produce the catalyst for a comeback.
Well played. That has snuffed out the danger. Distributed tidily. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Applies the finish. Goal at his mercy. Somehow he's missed it. Cristiano Ronaldo. That's rather hopeful. And somehow he managed to miss it.
Manchester United are certainly now looking like a sorry lot. They haven't got a proper defence or attack, for that matter.
And it's Bruno Fernandes. Serginho. Shot, surely! Oh, crossbar! And that's caused a worry or two.
I don't need to tell you, he got it, and there's only one place it can go.
Pedri.
Added minutes has been indicated.
And he's let fly. That was superb goalkeeping.
Really anticipated that well, didn't he?
Time added on 4 minutes. And that's it. A shrug, a rueful stare at his counterpart, but the manager knows that the story has...
I feel complete. Find my way with tight feet. Promises beyond compare. Nighttime hides away our care. Moment we can always share. Let the beat drop.
Ôi. Đi. Kìa ơi.
So hello and welcome. Weather is perfect, the fans are in great and the players are all set to get started. This is Peter Drury and I'm happy to inform you that Jim Beglin has joined me to offer his expertise. Thanks Peter, it's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here. Just listen to that noise. And he's let fly! And a terrific save from the keeper.
He's definitely living up to the occasion here. He just loves being out there amongst it.
And he's there to clear it. Newcastle have the chance to go the other way. It's Jarlinson. Well, the boss won't be happy about that at all. They were pedestrian in possession and carried almost no threat at all. In the end, they found themselves penned in, nowhere to go. That's a shade optimistic. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Well, Anthony Elanga is a player who's learning the game for me, Peter. He produces moments of magic, but he also produces mistakes, which is often associated with
Chance for a shot! And the keeper couldn't hold it. Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Listen, he would have been advised to do that as a kid, and it's obviously etched in his mind now.
Newcastle have their opener. It is a goal of real significance.
Well, that's really changed the mood in the stands, Peter. It ought to encourage more positive football, a more front-footed approach. It's got to be.
Gordon! Goals! He is desperate to get on the score sheet. This time, well, can he finish? Just not quite happening for him just now. That's a risky ball, you've got to say. Could be danger here. Played in deep, and that's been well dealt with. Taken back almost at once. In once more. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Serginho.
They want to be quick here. It's breakaway time.
And this is Ronaldo. Serginho. And here's Bruno Fernandes. Great work on the overlap. Shot a goal! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Zappacosta actually didn't do an awful lot wrong, to be honest.
And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. The ball's gone astray. It's made its way to him. It's loose now. They want to get it back. And here's Mbappe. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Spread it left. That has not gone well. Pedri. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo.
They'll want to make the most of this turnover.
Now it's Bruno Fernandes. Oh, he's bustling through here.
2 added minutes has been allocated.
And he's got the beating of his man. This looks promising. That's an excellent interception. And the first 45 minutes are up. No shortage of industry or intent thus far. A little inspiration and is perhaps the only things lacking.
It's a dressing room that needs rousing at half-time because, in truth, they've not really been at it so far. If the pep talk works, we may see a very different side second half. We need to.
Hostilities have resumed at the start of the second half.
Manchester United can really do with some bigger names standing up here. At times, they didn't even look as if they knew what they were doing.
What a throw in. Ronaldo goes steaming forward. Now it's Gordon. Still chasing the game, trailing by 1. Good looking ball. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Van Dijk. Zappacosta. Now Mbappe. And he's gone searching crossfield. Tries to pass it through. Nice control. Cristiano, he's having a go. Now, who's going to be first to this? Oh, he's been caught on it here. And it's Pedri. And the shot! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Yeah, it wasn't the worst decision in the world to go for the shot, even if he was being closely marshalled.
Field. Number 20 coming on the
Manager can
field.
make a change for the first time in the game here. The break in play means they can now affect their change.
Yeah, it's no doubt a positive one. They want to make sure they finish the job from here.
Your impressions so far, Jim?
Well, the time has arrived to start taking risks. They may well be happy just to level this.
Now it's Gordon. Now it's Barnes. Estupinian, certainly one of the players of the week. Serginho. Hazard. And he's forced to go back. Manchester United have got it back and they'll have another go. 75 minutes played. And they can get here, and he's managed to get free. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Good chance here! So close to drawing level.
That was extremely good focus from the keeper, and it could turn out to be quite a significant moment.
Harvey
Corner number 2 then.
Number 41, Ramsey. Coming on the field, number 23, Jacob Murphy. Number
Willock
28,
with the clearance.
Joe Willock.
Well, there's plenty to this approach. Get your head battling away, and eventually things might change for you.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Bruno Fernandes is having a shot! A collective sigh of relief from the defence.
Modern football for you. You get zero time to think on the ball. Take too long, and that happens. It gets pinched.
Now it's Mbappe. He has found a way through.
Manchester United really can only do one thing now, Peter. Get the ball in his own pitch and sustain some pressure.
And this is Ronaldo. And this is Ronaldo. He's trying one. And that is the end of it. They hung on right till the